Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 9 latest defense updates. Number 1, acquiring 6 additional P8I MPA amidst DRDO's push for local development. Boeing, the American aerospace giant, has been actively advocating for the Indian Navy to procure 6 additional P8I maritime patrol aircraft to bolster its maritime surveillance capabilities. The acquisition has been delayed primarily due to DRDO's pressing for the indigenous development of a medium-class maritime patrol aircraft, that is MMPA, that aligns with the capabilities of the existing P8I fleet operated by the Indian Navy. Next, VSHORAD moves towards production stage and limited industrialized version to be ordered. In a significant development, the Indian defense establishment has taken a step closer to strengthening its air defense capabilities with the issuance of a tender for the procurement of 30 units of the Indigenous Very Short Range Air Defense Missile System, that is VSHORAD. These 30 units represent the industrialized version of the missile, signifying a transition from the prototype stage to the production stage. Next, PDA is entering the UAV market. Banmali Agarwala, the recently appointed chairman of Tata Advanced Systems (TASL), is set to steer the company towards the burgeoning unmanned aerial vehicle market in India. This strategic move follows notable success in developing drones and loitering ammunition for the Indian Armed Forces, known for its expertise in manufacturing aerostructures. The serving clients such as Boeing and Lockheed Martin, TASL is now poised to venture into the UAV sector, recognizing its immense growth potential. Next, Indian company to develop indigenous chipsets for NavIC navigation system. In a significant technological advancement, an Indian company is set to design and manufacture chipsets capable of processing signals from the navigation with Indian constellation system, developed by the Indian Space Research Organization. The collaboration between the Ministry of Science and Technology and the Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology with Hyderabad-based Manjeera Digital Systems represents a significant step towards self-reliance in satellite navigation technology. Next, Sky Force. Akshay Kumar brings another film displaying the untold true story of India's first and deadliest airstrike. The name of the film is Sky Force. Finally, the wait is over as actor Akshay Kumar, on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi and former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri, announced the release date of his upcoming film Sky Force. To mark this day, the OMG2 actor shared an intriguing announcement video. The video begins with a speech of Muhammad Ayub Khan, President of Pakistan, as a voiceover, and text reads 6 September 1965, that is India-Pakistan War. Next, transferring of ToT, that is transfer of technology for local assembly of Tejas Mk1A fighter jets to Egypt. In recent decisions between Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Egyptian authorities, HAL has extended an offer for the transfer of technology to Egypt. The proposal involves local assembly capabilities for the LCA Tejas Mk1 fighter jets. Egypt is actively exploring the acquisition of a substantial number of these advanced fighter aircraft directly for its air force, with a potential order of at least 35 aircraft. Next, India preparing to test long-range anti-ship missile, that is LRASM, a game changer for naval capabilities. India is on the verge of conducting the maiden test of a game-changer long-range anti-ship missile, LRASM, set to redefine its naval capabilities. The highly anticipated trial, scheduled for early October, is poised to unleash a missile with an impressive range of 500 kilometers, surpassing the supersonic Indo-Russian cruise missile BrahMos. Next, Mangalyaan 2 mission to Mars is to be launched by ISRO. In a bid to further explore the mysteries of the red planet, India is gearing up for another historic mission to Mars. 9 years after the groundbreaking success of Mars Orbiter mission, commonly known as Mangalyaan, the Indian Space Research Organization is preparing to launch Mangalyaan 2. This ambitious endeavor is poised to expand our understanding of Mars and the universe at large. Next, forget mica. Jharkhand finds lithium, all set to power India's EV industry expansion. Jharkhand, which used to export mica to the world, is again for the news. This time for reserve of lithium, the cosmic mineral which is needed as part of country's energy security plans. Lithium is being seen as a game-changer mineral to achieve the goals of zero carbon green energy in the coming years all over the world. Thank you.